Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an emoji in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add an emoji in Notion. The first thing to do is to log into your Notion workspace by opening notion.so and logging into your account. The next step is to navigate to the page or the block where you want to add an emoji. So from this left panel, I have to do and I want to add my emoji from here. There are two ways to go about that, or there are a couple of ways. I'm just going to take you through a couple of steps, and I'm going to start with the first two methods to use. First, the first thing to do is to type directly. And how do we type the emoji directly? Simply type a colon, which we have here, then colon, and type in smile. So once you do that, Notion will show you a list of emoji suggestions, which we have here. Now you can select one from this list, or you can just simply say sad and select any from the list. Easy peasy. Step 2 is to use the emoji picker. So place your cursor where you want the emoji to appear, which you have here. If you're using Mac, go ahead and type or go ahead and press Control plus CMD plus space. But if you're using Windows, just go ahead and press Windows plus full stop. And then you have the emoji board or the emoji bar displayed. So go ahead and choose from the emoji table and just choose however you want to do from this emoji picker. Now, the third step is to insert an emoji as a block icon or a page icon. So to add an emoji as an icon for a page, here, go ahead and hover over to the top where you have add cover, or you have add cover. You don't have the add button in here, the add icon in here. You don't have add icon in here, but then if you do, go ahead and click on add icon. So this is an icon here that is displayed. So there's no option for add icon already because I already have my icon added. So go ahead and click on the icon, and once you click on the icon, you have an icon option here. So from here we have icons. You can add icons or just go ahead and click on emojis and add your emojis from the emoji picker. That's it. Now the next thing to do is to add an emoji as an icon for a block. That's in some block types like databases. So if you have a database block, hover over to the block header or the top of the database item and click on the 6 dots next to the block or item and choose add icon. Then select an emoji from the list or use the emoji picker. You can also customize further. Now, if you want to adjust the size or placement of the emoji, you might need to use additional formatting options or adjust its position manually within the text blocks. And that's it. You've successfully added an emoji in Notion. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.